Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need red and white pony beads, scissors, a lighter, a needle, and then you're going to need 3 pieces of string that measure about 25 inches. And you're going to start with one of your strings and you're going to put red on both sides, one that goes through both, one on each side, one that goes through both, one on each side, one that goes through both, and one on each side. You're going to hold one end and pull the other. Pull that tight and then make a knot. Cut that. Put your needle on. We're going to go through the red. We're going to add a white. Then we're going to add a red. And then we're going to add a white. Flip it over. Go through this red bead. We're going to add a white, another white, and another white. Flip it over. We're going to add a red, a white, and another white. We're going to add a red. We're going to go down these two red, up this white and red, flip it over. We're going to go through this red bead. We're going to add a red. We're going to add a white and a red. We're going to go down these two, up this white and down this red. Flip it over. We're going to add a red and another red. We're going to go down this white and this red, up this white and down this red. We're going to add a red and go through all of these beads. Go ahead and tie this. Cut that. Okay, we're going to put that off to the side. And now we have one of our other strings. We're going to put red on both sides, one that goes through both, red on each side, red that goes through both, one on each side. Hold this and pull the other side. You're going to tie this. Cut that small piece off. Put your needle on. We're going to go through this red, add a red, add another red, flip it over, go through this red, add a red, another red, flip it over. We're going to go through these two, add a red, and go through this red. Then we're going to go down, and we're going to go up these two. Flip it over, add a red, add another red, add a red. We're going to go down these two, we're going to go up these two, and down this one. Flip it over, add a red, add another red. We're going to go down these two, up this red, and down this one. Flip it over, and we're going to add a red. Okay, so we're going to need to repeat this because you need two. So if you want to stop the video here and make another one so we can start the next step. So we are coming out of this bead here. You're going to take your face. We're going to go through this white. We're going to add a red. We're going to add a red bead and go through this white. And then we're going to go through this red bead here. We're going to go through this red. Down this red. And down this red. Flip this over. And we're going to go through this white. Whoop, you know what, backtrack. We went through this white, now we're going to go down this red. Now we need to go up the white, those two red. Okay, we're going to go through this red, through this white, down this red, down this red, up this red, up this white, up this red, and up this red. Then you can go ahead and tie it. And we need to tie this side off too. You make sure you pull this before you tie it. Okay, there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.